मैंने इमरान खान से मुतासर होकर इस्लाम कबूल किया। क्रिस्टियन बेगर ने एक तकरीब में पाकिस्तानी मीडिया से गुफ्तगू करते हुए कहा। एमटीवी की साबिका प्रेसिडेंट क्रिस्टियन बेगर ने कहा उन्होंने इस्लाम कबूल करने के लिए इमरान खान की शख्सियत से मुतासर होकर और उन्होंने 1995 में इस्लाम कबूल किया।
To Islam, not by a long-bearded imam who perhaps rammed religious rulings down my throat. No, by a handsome sports star, Imran Khan. The first time I turned up to go out with a few friends, I was wearing a mini dress, and we were going out with a few Pakistanis and Indians, and he asked me if I wouldn't mind keeping on my coat all evening, because in his culture, women and men don't show flesh. So when I started thinking about it, that was actually one of the first things I sort of understood, and my skirts became longer and cleavage higher. And he said to me, believe in God and do good deeds.